Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be doing a mango tango lift-off tea, okay? You're going to need a 32-ounce cup of ice. We're going to start with some hot water to get our base going. Remember, our hot water helps activate our lift-off. We're going to use orange lift-off. And I'm going to go ahead and smash this and crush it a little bit. This just helps dissolve the powder faster, you'll see. Boom, bam. Uh-oh. Okay, we're going to do half a teaspoon of energy tea. Half a teaspoon of peach tea. A tablespoon of mango aloe, or 3 caps if you don't have a tablespoon measure. Remember, aloe is good for your digestion. And we're going to go ahead and throw in our peach mango energy packet flavor that also carries 120 milligrams of caffeine. So this is like a double tea, a double energy tea. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and throw in our pineapple flavor to our base. Mix this up. Give it a little bit more water. Bam. Pour this in the bottom of our cup of ice. Just like that. Add a little bit more hot water to dissolve your mango flavor. We're going to add some water to help separate the colors. Bam. And our mango flavoring. This is also Herbalife. We're going to do about 3 half teaspoons. Actually, I done grabbed the wrong packet. This is actually watermelon. I was like, mango's not red. Mango is orange. There we go. And we're going to pour this on the top.